Hi there! Check out this collapsible colander, set featuring 2 strainers plus food-grade silicone, measuring cups and spoons. Designed to save space, these foldable tools are perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or camping trips. Use the strainers to easily drain pasta, wash fruits, and strain soups with convenience. The measuring cups and spoons provide precise measurements for baking and cooking, making meal prep simple and fun. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone and plastic, they are dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Whether you are a professional chef or cooking at home, these versatile tools will make your kitchen tasks easier. Experience high-quality kitchen essentials built to last and designed for your everyday needs. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.